goes the GoPro. That's a sturdy camera right there. Oh well. Anyway, let's pick it up, put it back on the car, and go for a few laps with the MR2 and the 1ZZ engine. Let's go! Welcome to this week's Jesse Spec video. In order to close 2020, that was a difficult year for all of us, let's finish it on a fun note with a little racetrack session that I did this year with the MR2. So as you probably can guess, and if you've been following us, this is still with the 1ZZ engine. You can see that I'm surrounded with Lotus Elises and other Lotuses, because it's a Lotus track day, and this is also why this car actually got its project name to be Project Lotus Hunter, is exactly because of the reason that I'm building it to actually race guys with Lotuses. So this is the goal behind it. So this year I went to the racetrack one time with this car, because with confinement and everything it's very complicated to do this. Anyway, follow me so we can do one warm-up lap. We just went through the really tight hairpin here, and there is one straight. As you can see, this track is in France. It's called Circuit Doxwa. And you have here this straight where with my MR2 I couldn't go any faster than 135 kilometers per hour, and I entered a high-speed corner here. What is interesting to do is step outside like I just did with two of the wheels to take as much track width as possible. Then we have another hairpin here, also use the whole track. It's really made to be used completely. And now you see we are coming to the beginning of the track, which is exactly here. Being there with the Lotus Club, there are sometimes some interesting cars coming. So this is a prototype car that is 500 kilos heavy with a K20 engine in it. So it's a really fast car, and I was pretty happy actually that I could follow it to a certain extent. Of course, the speeds that that car can carry are way beyond what the MR2 can do. But anyway, it's fun to see and compare. And that was my best lap. 1 minute, 1 second and 39. It is up to date, still my best time that I have achieved with my MR2. It still has the 1ZZ in it, so I'm really looking forward to comparing this lap time with the 2ZZ once I have a bit more horsepower in it. For those interested, I did do some data analysis, and there seems to be still a half a second that I can squeeze out in that configuration. Let's see what happens. So here's another session, pretty good time as well, against the Mazda MX-5, the NC version with the 2-liter. So let's take a look at that. and that was 1 minute and 2 seconds flat. Thank you so much for watching this video, and by passing up a Lotus Elise that is not going full speed, I hope you enjoy Project Lotus Hunter. I thank you for your support in 2020. In 2021, we will be going much further in this project. As you know, the engine swap is almost done, so there will be much more track driving and racing. So I want to thank you sincerely for your support. I wish you all a happy new year, and I will see you next week.